How do you add polynomials? I will demonstrate some ways to add polynomials and show you some different methods you can use to add them. Here's one method. Polynomials can be added in either vertical or horizontal form. In vertical form, align the like terms and add. So notice we have x squares are like terms and they're red, they're aligned. Then you have the y, they're aligned, and excuse me, not the y, the x, just the x terms, and they're aligned. And then you also have the green terms, and they're aligned. And notice that the polynomial, our final result, is in standard form. You could use vertical form if you think it's easiest for you. Or you can use horizontal form. In horizontal form, use the associative and commutative properties to regroup and combine like terms. So that's just writing it in different orders. Notice they put the red together, they put the blue together, and then they put the green together. Then they combined and came out with their final result. So you can use the horizontal or vertical method, whatever you feel the most comfortable with. Here's our first example. We are going to add these two polynomials. This is a binomial by a trinomial. You must have the same base and the same exponent. I have all of the steps to the right-hand side. So once again, pause the video. Go ahead and write down all the information and then resume when you're ready to follow along. So I'm going to go ahead and regroup my terms together. So I'll put the 4m squared along with the m squared. And then we'll put the 5 along with the 6. And then we just have a negative m. Okay, so therefore I used all my terms. And so I'll write that again so you know 4m with the m squared, blue 5 with the 6. So this is using the vertical method, by the way. And there was plus right there. And then just negative m is black. So we'll combine and we get 5m squared. I always put my m term when I'm writing it in standard form. And then we have plus 11 at the end. And this will be our final answer. It's in standard form. We have a highest degree to lowest degree. And notice that there are no other like terms for you to combine. For our last example, we are going to add these two polynomials, but notice that we have some negatives to watch out for, right? We have this negative and this one and this one. So we are still adding because we have addition here, but we'll end up having to subtract due to these negatives. So let's go ahead and begin identifying our like terms. Here I have 6x squared, and with that we'll go to 3x squared and negative x squared. For the red, we'll do negative 4y, which will go along with 3y, and negative 2y. So I'm not going to regroup because I don't have that much space, but I will circle the like terms. And then I'll write out the coefficients to see what we get. So for the blue, I get 6 plus 3 minus 8. And that is going to give us 9 minus 8, 1. So we have 1x squared. And then for the red, we have negative 4 plus 3 minus 2. And that will give us negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3y. And combined as one final statement would be x squared minus 3y. And I'll box that. And there's our final answer.